Benefits of yoga. Yoga, an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago, has evolved into a popular form of exercise and mindfulness across the globe. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit term yuj, which means to unite or integrate. It represents the union of body, mind, and spirit. Practicing yoga offers numerous benefits that encompass physical health, mental well-being, and emotional balance. This video drills into the myriad benefits of yoga and why it has become an essential practice for many. Physical benefits of yoga. Improved flexibility. One of the most apparent benefits of yoga is increased flexibility. Regular yoga practice helps to stretch and lengthen muscles, which can lead to a greater range of motion in the joints. This enhanced flexibility can help prevent injuries and improve overall physical performance in daily activities and other sports. Enhanced strength. Many yoga poses require the practitioner to support their own body weight in various ways, including balancing on one leg or supporting themselves with their arms. These poses help to build muscle strength. As you progress in your practice, you will likely notice increased muscle tone and definition. Better posture. Poor posture can lead to a range of problems, including back pain, joint issues, and fatigue. Yoga helps to strengthen the muscles responsible for maintaining good posture, particularly the core muscles, which support the spine. Improved posture can reduce pain and increase energy levels. Increased balance. Yoga poses, especially those that require you to stand on one leg or support yourself with your arms, enhance your balance. Improved balance can reduce the risk of falls, which is particularly important for older adults. It also promotes better coordination and stability in daily movements. Enhanced respiratory function. Yoga emphasizes deep, controlled breathing, which can improve lung capacity and overall respiratory function. Pranayama, or yogic breathing techniques, can help to increase oxygen intake, improve circulation, and enhance the efficiency of the respiratory system. Improved circulation. Yoga poses and breathing exercises stimulate blood flow, which can improve circulation throughout the body. Enhanced circulation helps to deliver more oxygen and nutrients to cells, which can boost energy levels and promote better overall health. Cardiovascular health. Certain styles of yoga, such as vinyasa or ashtanga, can provide a cardiovascular workout that elevates the heart rate. This can improve heart health, increase endurance, and help with weight management. Pain relief. Yoga has been shown to be effective in reducing chronic pain, including lower back pain, arthritis, and migraines. The combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and relaxation techniques helps to reduce tension and inflammation, which can alleviate pain. Enhanced digestion. Yoga poses that involve twisting and bending can help to stimulate the digestive system. These movements can promote the efficient functioning of the intestines and reduce symptoms of digestive discomfort, such as bloating and constipation. Detoxification. Yoga promotes detoxification by stimulating the lymphatic system, which helps to remove waste and toxins from the body. Additionally, the deep breathing techniques used in yoga enhance oxygen delivery to cells and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Mental benefits of yoga. Reduced stress. Yoga is well known for its stress-relieving benefits. The combination of physical movement, deep breathing, and meditation helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces the body's stress response. Improved mental clarity. The mindfulness aspect of yoga encourages practitioners to focus on the present moment, which can enhance concentration and mental clarity. Regular practice can improve cognitive function, including memory and decision-making skills. Enhanced emotional regulation. Yoga helps to regulate the nervous system, which can improve emotional balance and resilience. Practicing yoga encourages the release of endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers. It also helps to reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Better sleep. The relaxation techniques used in yoga, such as deep breathing and meditation, can improve sleep quality. Yoga helps to calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Increased mindfulness. Yoga promotes mindfulness, which is the practice of being fully present in the moment. This increased awareness can lead to greater self-understanding, better decision-making, and an overall sense of calm and contentment. Reduced anxiety and depression. Numerous studies have shown that yoga can be an effective complementary treatment for anxiety and depression. The combination of physical activity, relaxation, and mindfulness can help to alleviate symptoms and improve overall mental health. Improved focus and concentration. The practice of yoga requires concentration and focus on the breath and body movements. This can translate into improved focus and concentration in other areas of life, such as work and study. Emotional and spiritual benefits of yoga. Enhanced self-awareness. Yoga encourages introspection and self-awareness. By connecting with your breath and body, you can develop a deeper understanding of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This increased self-awareness can lead to personal growth and transformation. Greater compassion and empathy. Yoga promotes a sense of connection with others and the world around you. The practice encourages kindness, compassion, and empathy, both towards yourself and others. This can lead to improved relationships and a greater sense of community. Increased inner peace. The meditative aspects of yoga can help to quiet the mind and cultivate a sense of inner peace. By letting go of distractions and focusing on the present moment, you can experience a profound sense of calm and tranquility. Spiritual growth. For many practitioners, yoga is a spiritual practice that fosters a connection with something greater than themselves. This can be experienced through meditation, chanting, or simply the act of mindful movement. Yoga can be a path to spiritual growth and enlightenment. Enhanced creativity. Yoga can stimulate creativity by promoting mental clarity and reducing stress. The practice encourages a free flow of ideas and inspiration, which can enhance creative expression in various forms. Social benefits of yoga. Sense of community. Practicing yoga in a group setting, such as a yoga class or workshop, can foster a sense of community and belonging. The shared experience of practicing yoga can create connections and friendships with like-minded individuals. Improved communication skills. Yoga encourages mindfulness and self-awareness, which can improve your ability to communicate effectively and empathetically with others. This can enhance personal and professional relationships. Supportive environment. Yoga classes often provide a supportive and non-judgmental environment where individuals can practice and grow at their own pace. This sense of support can boost confidence and motivation. Yoga for specific populations. Yoga for seniors. Yoga can be adapted for seniors to improve flexibility, balance, and strength. It can also help to reduce the risk of falls, alleviate joint pain, and promote mental well-being. Yoga for pregnant women. Prenatal yoga can help expectant mothers to stay fit, reduce stress, and prepare for childbirth. It can also alleviate common pregnancy-related discomforts, such as back pain and swelling. Yoga for athletes. Athletes can benefit from yoga by improving flexibility, strength, and balance. Yoga can also aid in recovery, reduce the risk of injury, and enhance mental focus and performance. Practical tips for starting a yoga practice. Find the right style. There are many different styles of yoga, each with its own focus and benefits. Some popular styles include Hatha, Vinyasa, Ashtanga, Iyengar, and Bikram. Explore different styles to find the one that suits your needs and preferences. Start with beginner classes. If you are new to yoga, start with beginner classes to learn the basics and build a strong foundation. Look for classes that offer detailed instruction and modifications for different skill levels. Listen to your body. Yoga is a personal practice, and it is important to listen to your body and honor your limits. Avoid pushing yourself too hard and focus on maintaining proper alignment and breath control. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to experiencing the benefits of yoga. Aim to practice regularly, even if it is just for a few minutes each day. Over time, you will notice improvements in your physical and mental well-being. Create a comfortable space. Set up a comfortable and quiet space for your yoga practice. Use a yoga mat, wear comfortable clothing, and consider using props such as blocks, straps, and blankets to support your practice. Focus on your breath. Breath control is an essential aspect of yoga. Focus on deep, steady breaths to enhance your practice and promote relaxation. Incorporate pranayama techniques to improve lung capacity and oxygen intake. Stay patient and positive. Yoga is a journey, and progress may be slow and gradual. Stay patient and positive, and avoid comparing yourself to others. Celebrate your achievements and enjoy the process of learning and growing. The benefits of yoga extend far beyond physical fitness. It is a holistic practice that can enhance your physical health, mental well-being, emotional balance, and spiritual growth. Whether you are looking to improve flexibility, reduce stress, or cultivate inner peace, yoga offers a wealth of benefits for practitioners of all ages and skill levels. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you can experience a profound transformation that enhances your overall quality of life. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.